welcome to Behind the Trigger. Today I was going to do a bunch of ammo testing with the Bergara BMR, but due to the extreme wind, and I've shot in some pretty bad wind, but this is pretty bad. I'm not going to get any good results. So I'm just going to postpone that. I'd like to thank my current subscribers for sticking with me. Definitely appreciate that. Today we are going to be running some groups with some CCI standard velocity, everything like that. I did add a cheek riser, and it does help get on target and gesture eye relief. And the cheek riser I ended up going with is the Victor Company Universal cheek kit. This thing is pretty nice. It comes with 2 spacers, so you can adjust how high it is. It actually comes with everything you need to install. It comes with two screws, drill bit, and even a Phillips bit. So really easy to install, and the instructions are straightforward and clear. And if you don't want to drill into your stock, you can always use 2-sided tape or something like that. I mean, it's pretty... I had no issues with this. I didn't care about the stock, so I just put a couple screws in it. I took off the swivel stud, drilled another hole into the fore end of the stock, and mounted a plate for it so I can run it into my mechanical rest. One thing about doing this, or even off a bipod, it introduces a leverage point in which you can actually see all the flex in the stock. So when I get on this rifle, I have to be very, very careful. It shows a lot through the scope. Let's shoot a couple of groups in. And I will be doing a thing on the wind and the effects of a 22 round. Just trying to figure out how to do it effectively without running 3 cameras and just clouding up the screen. So hopefully I can get to that here in a few weeks. But there's one thing that I can tell you about this range: we're never short of wind. That's for sure. Alright, let's run some groups. Let's see what CCI standard can do in this wind. As you can see, if you look at them ball, you can see the wind at the muzzle, at the bench. Really good about this year, the cottonwood is really flying. You can see exactly how that wind is moving. It's just amazing what it's doing at the different yardages. Like I said, I got a video I'm going to do on that here pretty soon. Another reason people break position is because sometimes when the crosshairs get blurry, you gotta look away, give your eyes a rest because they start to fatigue. Now, I'm not using any holdovers or anything. Just kind of watching the effect of the wind on the bullet. That's one thing nice about shooting bench rest. It's a little bit slower pace, so you can take that time but it's also about precision too. Consistency and precision. Yeah, when your eyes start to get fatigued, you just kind of look up a little bit, give your eyes a break so you can regain that focus. That's one thing nice about running bolt action with a magazine. You get that sweet spot in the wind where your rifle's doing good. You can just sit there and run it. Single shot, it's a little bit different. You gotta be quicker with the reload. That's what I'm talking. Yep. There goes the umbrella. We're just going to finish up this group and we're going to call it a day. That wouldn't take that long. I should be able to fix it. Well, like I said, I do plan on doing a big ammo testing segment, and it's going to have to wait till a little bit better day. I'm liking this Bergara, this cheek rise. It's really nice. It suits my needs, and it does allow for that consistent follow-up shot. Hey, if y'all like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Till next time.